Hi, my name is Vishnu and this is my video for the 3D slicer. I've actually done the segmentation and I'm just loading and then applying another filter which is for the second problem, and then I'm going to show it. So now I'm just going to load the data which I actually had saved like previously before. Okay, so this is my actual data, my actual output. So I'm just going to explain how I did it and what are the other things that I'm going to do. So initially what I did was I took a brain tumor 2 in the downloaded sample. Using the edit tool over here, editor over here, I had taken the wand effect, and then for each slice had it colored and then put everything together, and then in the per structure volume I clicked on split merge volume and then merge and build, where it was then build. The screenshot is there in my report, and then after that I had opened another file. It was there in the tutorial in the given website in the Blackboard. So it was a 3D head model where I had added to this one. So in that case, since I added that head model also, both of them had combined together, and then the tumor here showed as with reference to that head, which position it is in and what it does. So this over here explains the head model, and I've just added the editor model, which is the model tissue, which is the brain tumor. So this hemispheric white matter is the blue substance you can see here, which is the brain, and you can simply it's visible, and I've put on clip so that since one of the slicer element is here, and from this side you can see partially because of the opacity, and this side you can have a clear image. So this is clip, it shows you one side properly and the other side the opaque part. And if I want, I can increase the opacity and decrease it. I have put it 0.80. As I decrease, you can see it's hardly, now it's 0.70. it's a bit more 0.60. now it's a bit more lighter. And this is only for the white hemisphere. You can do it for the skull bone also. Okay, now for the skull bone it's 0.20, and if I want to see it, I just need to increase the opacity, which is white in color. The skull bone you can see the skull bone inside the skin. And now this is the skin, which is in light pink color, and which has an opacity of 0.30, and as I increase, you can see that it increases. And now there are many things like the lightning effect, you can just apply it randomly. I've done many experiments on this, checked out the lightning effect and the things. I've mentioned many things in my report. And the power, it just increases the boldness of the skin, as you can see. So I've experimented with various materials, the ambience over here, and the diffuse and spectacular. So I've done this, and now and then this is the first part of the 3D slicer, and then for the second part I've used this application called in legacy filtering Resample Scalar Volume. So what I've done is initially I applied for 111, but by default it was 000, and for my result actually I've used 111 for the spacing, and I've used a cosine, the one which you saw at the beginning. So now I'm going to do it for another value. So I've used brain tumor 2, and now after I apply, I'm getting a similar one, but it's with more brightness and more contrast. Now I can try it for, if I use a B-spline, okay, so the output, it keeps changing as I've taken many screenshots, and all of them are shown in my report, and it's also attached with my files. And this is my 3D slicer. Okay, thank you.